Hi, I'm Jennifer Kale, and on behalf of Expert Village, I'm going to show you how to make this delicious, spicy pumpkin cheesecake. The first step for making the crust for our pumpkin cheesecake is to crush the ginger snaps and the pecans to make a fine crumb. Now, there are various different ways that you can do it, but the absolutely easiest way is in a food processor. You can, if you don't have a food processor, some blenders are powerful enough to do this, but you have to be very careful to not burn up the motor. And the other way that you can do it is just by putting them into a plastic bag or between two sheets of plastic or wax paper and then whacking away with a rolling pin. This takes a lot of time and it's very labor intensive. So let's stick with the food processor for this demo. We're going to put a 1/4 pound or about 20 ginger snap cookies and then 1/3 of a cup of pecans. Now you want to make sure that your lid is on nice and tightly because you do not want crumbs flying all over the place. And then we're just going to start pulsing it. Just a little bit at a time so that we can watch the progress of it being broken up. And we're not going to get a super fine, so you just want crumbs. You want crumbs, not a fine powder. So you can see it's a finely ground consistency, still crumb, but not pulverized into a complete powder, but lots of really small pieces.